The actions from our past are the strengths to look confidentially at our future. The market pushed us to develop integrated knowledge. We innovated, reaching the level we show today. We established solid foundations that allowed us to continue developing, cultivating innovation as a fundamental part of our processes. Given the large volume of managed data, we develop a large information system converting data into automated reports. With this new technology, we are optimizing and redesigning our tools to ensure the zero accident rate of our technicians. Centralizing planning and engineering is a necessity that will make us more competitive. We will support our customers, proposing mine road designs so that our equipment achieves the highest performance and the lowest cost per ton. To achieve outstanding performance, it was necessary to integrate new technologies that allowed us to be more efficient, safe, and productive according to the requirements of the current market. The physical availability and reliability of the equipment is key in the business of our customer, so we have implemented a remote technical support service with highly specialized technicians. Autonomy with the MINESTAR platform increases safety by reducing accident rate and improves productivity in operations. That is reflected in the reduction of the cost per ton. Our future projects consider augmented reality development with the objective of obtaining intelligent and immediate information. Finning. Our commitment. We will continue innovating in the constant search for technological solutions that allow each of our customers to obtain outstanding performances.